to DSB Motorsports. In this channel, we want to focus on giving out tips and helpful knowledge for common performance modifications and company updates. DSB is licensed for performance work and authorized to sell performance parts from hundreds of well-known companies in the car community. PRL, Injen, Mishimoto, ARP, you name it, and DSB will give you the best quote possible. On our first episode, we will be doing a time-lapse of Injen Intercooler with piping kit on a 2019 Honda Civic SI. More content to come soon, and if you want to stay updated, follow us on Instagram at DSB_motorsports.
To uninstall the front bumper, you're going to have to go to each wheel well and unscrew 2 Phillips screw heads. You're going to have 10 to 12 clips under the hood, 8 clips on the bottom, and 2 5mm Allen bolts, which will also be under the vehicle. There's going to be tabs on the headlights you gently pull, and only the fog lights are disconnected by their connectors. Be careful as they can break easily if not handled correctly. Remove 5 clips on the intercooler ducting, 1 hidden behind the front bumper support, and 4 bolts connect 2 of each side of the hot and cold pipes of the cooler. All 10mm bolts are on the bracket that hold the intercooler. Once that's done, you're ready to remove the intercooler. And for our next step, you're going to have to remove the intake pipe along with the MAF sensor and the IT sensor. Once you remove the clamp on the throttle body, which are couplers that go in the intercooler, you can start prepping the pipes, which makes the process easier. You can see him sitting on the floor attaching the clamps and couplers before actually installing the pipes in the car. Remove clamp on couplers to remove a bracket on the frame. Gaskets will be reused from factory towards new intercooler. Charge pipe needs to have supply bracket on front right fender frame. You can now begin adding new couplers and clamps with bolts to finish the process. Now we do the whole process backwards in order to install everything back in. After you've reinstalled everything in the vehicle, go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything is running smooth without any leaks or any type of noise out of the ordinary. And make sure you do this before you install the bumper back on in case you do need to adjust anything else. And that concludes this time lapse for Injen Intercooler with piping kit installed on a 2019 Civic SI. We're going to give you guys updates, reviews, whether it's good or bad, on months to come to see how it's holding up reliable wise, see how good and how bad the installation was, and any little information you guys might just want to know or keep up with. So if you guys again want to keep updates on the channel, follow us on Instagram. That's where we're most active and posting current content.